Welcome back to SMC Tutors. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to basically buy Phoenix token using Penny Wallet, then how holding Phoenix token would earn you Wiki Cat tokens in 2026. Alright, so if you find our content helpful, do well to buy our educational token, Wiki Cat. It is built on the Binance Smart Chain, and the contract address is in the description of this video. Let us get started. So Phoenix token, that's PHT, is one of the projects under the SMC ecosystem, and using the Penny wallet you can get to swap whether it's USDA, Wikicat, or any token to PHT. So all you need to do is download the Penny wallet from your app store or your Google Play Store. Then we get started. So that's my Penny wallet, and over here I have USDT and I want to swap to Phoenix token. So all I need to do is just click on swap, select token PHT, or you could write Phoenix and you enable it. Okay, click on it, done, and you click on that. So let's see first, let's enable PHT, and okay, I have enabled PHT. Always do note that clear off all these tokens, scam tokens, in the latest update of a Penny wallet you wouldn't get to find all of these scam tokens. So yeah, we still have Phoenix token here, and let's go to the swap Phoenix token, and I want to swap about $3 worth of Phoenix token. That's about $3, which is going to give me about 100 Phoenix token. And I click on swap and I confirm the swap. Don't allow. And my transaction is done, and there you have it. I have 102 Phoenix token. So now my Wikicap balance is 0 Wikicap, but Phoenix token have a mechanism where what you know the higher the amount of Phoenix token you hold, you get Wikicat, more of a reflection kind of mechanism. Okay, so by holding Phoenix token you can actually get to earn Wikicat. Don't worry, you get to see how I'll show you my balance soonest. You get to see how much how much Wikicat gets. After waiting for some days, my reflection of Wikicat has finally appeared, which is about 114,000 Wikicat just by holding Phoenix token. And right now Phoenix token is pumping heavily. You should note that getting a reflection doesn't really depend on how long you hold. What happens is that it tallies when you if there's no much volume to go around, it goes to wallets that has been holding for long first, and it will also depend on the size of Phoenix token you are holding. So if you have a bigger bag of Phoenix token, you get to earn from the reflections much better, and that's how holding Phoenix token will definitely give you access to Wikicat reflection. If you find this video helpful, do well to like, subscribe to SMC Tutors, and you can also drop a comment and you get to see more videos from us. Thank you for watching.